working with today. They're getting much bigger. Hell yeah. Thank you. Woo! A good size there, maybe a 10. But hey, we'll get on them. Thanks, haters. Woo! Ah, my eyeballs. Always this linear progression forward. It's just been my motivation for the year. We just move these objects, whether it's life obstacles, work, people, you know, we need to move those things in and out of our lives. And it's okay. You know, it's just one of those things where, you know, like I said, I haven't necessarily given up on this, you know, this spot, because I know that there's fish in this area, you know. I get one out of the bag, you know what I mean? Not the biggest, but we're on some action. Beautiful. Quick release. You know, if I could see this trop that's right in front of me. I know that there's fish in here. I like to use relatively small hooks anyways. You know, a 4-aught hook. Rare cases am I gonna go with 6. You know, a 2 or anything bigger than that. You know, don't need to. Found them. Found them, boys. They're not big. They're not big. You know, they get to be... not bad, but neither is it a feisty guy. Feisty. Woo! Good hook set right there. Really? Come on, I'm trying to help y'all. Normally I wouldn't, you know, keep this size, but quick release, baby. From buoys, not, you know, as it breaks the shore. Here we go. Like I said, they're not that big, but we are on some action. It might be a keeper. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Let go. Gonna be very selective of, you know, what I'm trying to take home today. You know, just a good eating size. I don't need anything, you know, ridiculous. There, bam. You know, good fighter. Might even be decent. There we go. Actually, might even keep this one. There we go, a nice decent size there. Nice hook set. Getting picked off there a little bit. Sorry, Mr. Birds. Blue. Yeah, if you can key in on them. You know, whoa, that's a good one right there, baby. Woo, woo. Yeah. Hell yeah, this is a good one right here. Not totally, you know, 10-inch or anything like that. They just fight really good on this light tackle here, of course. But they are getting bigger, like I said. You know, they tend to wake up. You know, you let me know. I got some things in the works, you know, maybe even a Christmas giveaway, you know, like I did last year. You know, last year was a very fruitful last year. But hey, I'm always in the giving mood. unless you don't deserve it. I'll tell you a little side story, you know, on my way to 1,000, you know, I had this like very, you know, decent giveaway, you know, and a rod and reel combination. And the dude, I don't know how he did it, but he did it. And so what he did was he actually called my work, fish on, he good size by the way. He called my work asking about the giveaway. I was like, what the hell are you doing, dude? You dummy. Oh my God. So that's why that went away. So that is the backstory to that. Unbelievable. Decent keeper there. We'll get back on him. Yeah, beautiful fish. We'll let you go, buddy. Come on, waves. Aw, oh, darn it. All right. There we go. Woohoo! Catch and release, baby. Let's see, get on the next one. So, before I got interrupted by that that bite, was you know, doing another giveaway maybe for Christmas. You know, Thanksgiving not so much. I'm always busy during Thanksgiving anyways, so maybe not Thanksgiving, but maybe Christmas. What do you think, guys? Put in the comments below, you know, whether you think that I should do another giveaway. Of course the answer is yes. So why would you why would you say no? You know, so I'll think about what I'm gonna give away. Got some gear I collected over the years. I'll give you guys a choice, you know. Obviously I don't really fish for bass, so it's not like I can come up with a I think I'll come up with a nice little surf package, you know that. Oh, that's a good size right there. A surf package for you guys that you guys can really benefit from. It's actually a really good size, you know. Good fighter, good fighter. Nice, there we go. Now they're getting bigger. Now they're getting bigger. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Here we go. Mike's Tackle Box doing work today. Extra motivated today. Working with today. They're getting much bigger. Hell yeah. Thank you. Woo! Good size there. Maybe a 10. But hey, we'll get on them. Thanks, haters. Woo! Ah, my eyeballs. Although spots may look good from afar, you can see that there's a lot of debris in this area. But we'll see. Never mind. I was like, never mind. That fish was way out there. He is way out there right now. I was just saying, although a spot doesn't look that good, hey. Oh, it's a smelt. Not the species I was going after. Though a lot of fun, you know, considered trash fish. I was like, why the heck was it way out there? Here we go. Can't avoid it. You can't avoid, you know, schoolies. Can't avoid, you know, jack smelt. You know, these small class fish like that, you know, they smell it, you know, and that might be another jack, to be honest, right there. Is where it came from, how far it is. It's fighting pretty good. Might be another jack. At Look at that, see? Almost instant. The way that it fought, the way that it bit, not what I want. Jesus. A little bit of a malfunction, which is really weird. That's kind of rare, but that happens more than you know. All right, let's try to get back on this bite here. Where did that white water go? Whoa, 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 whoa. You see that? Probably another smelt, to be honest. Whoa. Buried that. Buried that thing. Whoa. Look at that, baby. Whoa. Baby. Man. Boy, did he stick that. Wow. I'm trying to get a limit. I mean, I'm way past the limit already. But taking a few home, you know, that's always just to feed the family. I don't feed the family, but not feed the village. You know what I mean? Don't need to do that. Oh, whoa. There we go. Man, boy, did that one hit. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, baby. Hell yeah. Still active, baby. Mike's Tackle Box still doing work. Hell yeah. Come on, open up, baby. You'll go back. Yeah, I'll go back. Hi, buddy. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for my session out here in Santa Cruz. I'm really gearing up for the More Than Fishing virtual tournament. So kind of doing some recon, going into the holidays, of course, and then it's go time on the 3rd, of course. So you guys are signed up. Best of luck out there to you guys. And as far as today's recap and today's haul, I'd like to think that I did pretty decent today, if you guys can see that behind me. And you know, ended up with like 25, you know, nothing too big, just a mixed batch of different sizes. So we'll see what happens if this works out for me, where I kind of hope that it rains, but if it doesn't, then it doesn't. All right, guys, until next time, guys, buenos nachos as always.